It's important that the farmers' voices are heard so that those who are strategic thinkers and policy makers understand the balance between what they think in their comfort of their strategy sessions, but also match that up with what it takes to really unlock grain commercialization in the Eastern Cape.
The Eastern Cape Rural Development Agency is gearing up for its 2024-2025 strategic planning session. As part of the build-up activities, the agency is hosting a series of dialogues to allow its crucial stakeholders to influence how it performs.
This strategic planning session that we will be having in a few weeks to come, if this basis is going to be what we have been discussing today, we will be more informed now about the commodity itself and its up and downs, but also more importantly, how do we strategize moving forward? Everything has been covered by the stakeholders that have been participating.
The Grain Commodity Dialogue saw the participation of panelists coming from the whole value chain of the sector.
Those that are in the primary production, those that are marketing, and also those that are in the processing.
EPOL is a feed manufacturer of animal feed products. We feed to different kind of species, from your poultry to your pigs, ruminants, rabbits and mice. We are situated in Berlin. So we're one of the top consumers, grain consumers in the Eastern Cape, as grain is about a 60-70% component of our animal feed products that we make. So this day was quite important for us to come in and see these farmers and to understand the challenges that they face on a daily in order for them to produce this grain that we also need to consume as a company. And we want to continue to support these farmers in whatever way that EPOL can support, in us buying this grain for them, in us showing them what standards and quality of grain we are looking for so that they can achieve those companies and they can come from being small sellers to being big sellers that are within our shareholding of the grain that we buy from our customers.
The strategy of ECRDA and thinking along the lines of, supporting financially and putting together financial models to support true commercialization is a thumbs up. I think they really need to aggressively continue with that because that's what we really need fundamentally. I think furthermore is the fact that now that they've taken a journey of listening to the producer on the ground, then furthermore taking it a step further and combining it with what they strategically think every day is a very important combination. And I think where we sit now is an agency that's listening to the farmers, and we sit with an agency that's putting together frameworks to support, as I say, true commercialization. That's what we need in the province, really.
I just want to know from Doc if we have a representative from Crop Estimate Committee here in Eastern Cape that will be responsible to feed in the quantities of maize that we produce within our province, because I think there is a lot of work that is being done by our department, that is Dr. Da, but I don't think most of those quantities that we produce do fit in to the national figure, and it will be important that we have someone dedicated from the Crop Estimate Committee to assist us so that we can influence the statistics that is coming from Eastern Cape